Hello everyone, I'm going to design a site right in front of you within around 10 minutes. What we're gonna do is we will build a portfolio in a really easy way using Claude Design, and this is the best way to design as of now to do website designing, app designing, or anything you want to design. So it used to be a day when we are using Canva, but now the things are changed now. What we need to do is adopt new stuff and make ourselves more efficient. So let's go for it. So what I need to do is let's use Claude Code for that. First, I need to create a prompt. So I'm giving it my LinkedIn account and I'm telling it, okay, I want to build a portfolio website and I want you to give me a detailed prompt. I'll use Claude Design to design a website for me. First, I'll create a prompt. This is the best way I can give all of the information to the Claude Design. So now it has given me the information like about me and the stuff I do, kind of basic information, and it's really good to give it as much information as you have and as much as you can give it to it, the public information. So let's go for it. So this is the information. Now I'm going to correct it a little bit. Now I have done a little bit chatting with the AI, and now it's going to give me a prompt so that I can copy it easily, and then let's go for the next step. We need to get the Claude Design in. Let's go with the natural design way. We don't have a template, so let Claude do his work. Email, location, leave it. Let's give it UAE. Let's go for it. Now it's doing kind of asking questions. Let's use image placeholder. I'll give it an images, and let's select that. Simple. Yes. Okay, let's go for it. So now here Claude is asking more questions as well, even I have a prompt, but giving it a prompt is gonna save your tokens, and also it's gonna make it easier for the Claude to understand properly where you are at the position. The thing which I don't like as of now is the font which it has used over here, but we can easily change that as well. Now I got the website, and what I don't like as of now is the font and the way its responsiveness is. but those are not the problems, because we can fix it by chatting with it a little bit more. Like, okay, I don't like the responsiveness. We can say like, I don't like the responsiveness of the website, and also the font, which is a little bit like bold. So if you can give me a normal font, I would really appreciate it. Go ahead. Yo guys, so now I have a design, a simple, pretty basic, simple design. You know what, it used to take me a week to design a website like this, but now it took around 10 minutes, and now we can go more further with it to design it much more better. And the cool part is I can browse and put my own images in the design. And either another thing I can do is guys, the thing is, what is the thing that I cannot do to make it much more better? So this was a short video to tell you how to design a site in a really helpful way. And I'm really thankful for giving you a time. Give this video a like if this video is worth subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.